Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix cannot verify identity. This Apple ID is not active. For example, if you try to log in into your Apple ID and after that providing email and all the details, you see that you find an error as cannot verify identity. This Apple ID is not active. And then how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, you have to simply close this page, and after closing this page, what you have to do, you have to simply again open the settings, and after opening the settings, what you have to do, you have to simply click on general, and after that what you have to do, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here what you have to do, you have to simply click on reset, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply click on reset network setting, and after that what you have to do, after resetting network setting, you have to simply go to location and privacy, and you have to also reset your location and privacy. And after resetting your location and privacy, you have to simply go back, and here what you have to do, you have to simply check you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply turn on the airplane mode for some second, and after that you have to turn it off again so that your Wi-Fi or internet connection can be restarted. And after restarting your Wi-Fi internet connection, what you have to do, you have to simply try again logging your Apple ID, and you have to make sure that you use the correct password. After that the problem is still there, then what you have to do, you have to simply go to the Apple solution in Safari, and after that you have to simply ask Apple discussion Apple discussion about the solution of the problem. If the problem is still there, then there is the only solution that Apple has restricted your Apple ID, which means Apple has blocked your Apple ID, and there is no option available that you can simply reactivate it. The only option is available that you have to simply create a new Apple ID to log in into your iPhone, and in this way you can simply solve the error. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.